Okay, Subaru Forester 2019. This is a EA Boxer model, and I was facing a problem with adjusting the speaker. Basically, the rear speaker were not responding, and I received no sound from rear speaker. So I was trying to fix those speakers from FM sound and this one. And as you can see, this one doesn't work. No option works. So basically, if you face the same problem, to minimize it, what you have to do is just press it in parking mode, press the parking button, and here you go. Now you can adjust all the button, all the speaker, just the way you want. See, just like that. Thank you.